I'm dreaming in dreams bigger than me, taking my time, giving to me, paint my life into a masterpiece, coloring it how I want it to be. Won't stop till I see what I want to see.
Hi guys, how's things? Back in the Lake District. Glad to be back. It's been a long time, long winter. But Skiddaw today, and we're going via Carside, so it's not too bad. I'll spin round. You can just make out Little Man up there. Obviously Skiddaw itself, the top. The summit is in the clouds, of course, as it usually is. So yeah, 4 of us in the party, sorry. We got John, Antosh and Sky. So anyway, let's crack on with it, and I'll bring you back later. Take care. Oh, it's magnificent, isn't it? Excuse the big finger. Well, the view to the south of Skiddaw, just like Blencathra, is second to none. Even on an atmospheric day like today, it's absolutely stunning, it really is. My goodness. Oh yeah, Carside, brutal. My goodness, just by the white rocks now. Antosh and John are pushing on up there. Just see John. There he is. This guy there, feeling it a bit, I think. It was a birthday yesterday, so a little bit of an excess there. But no better place to shake it off, I feel. It's in a bit of wind now, at 2,200 feet, another 800 or so feet to go. Little Man is just clear of cloud, Skiddaw in the cloud. Beautiful to the south though. Beautiful, what a route this is. Carside, up Carside, and we'll go down the kind of the pony track. Wow, excellent. Catch you later. Just leaving Carside behind us at 746 metres, and we're heading up the scree slopes now on the sort of western face of Skiddaw, just on the line between the cloud and the clear. The flag's coming in. I'll try and get this summited and then down out of the cloud. Hopefully enjoy a little bit of sunshine, maybe. Before the day is out. There you guys, a couple more 100 feet to go. Oh, hit a bit of hail. God, it stings on your face. Whew. We're not too far now, starting to level out onto the summit plateau. This could all be ours. Catch him at the top. Wow, Skiddaw summited then, guys. It's bloody windy up there. How windy was it up there, guys? Says it all. I just want to get off the mountain. There you go. So, yeah, head down off the clag now, and then we get some views to the south. We'll see. Fingers crossed. Downward running, jogging. I certainly wouldn't call this fell running, but it keeps you warm. It gets that elevation off quicker. Oh, look at the views over there. Absolutely stunning. Keswick with water. Oh yeah guys, wow, that was a fantastic round. Up Carside and down the, I guess you'd call it the pony track really. Some lovely views there on the front, over Derwent Water. We're about a mile outside Keswick now. We're parked in the Pencil Museum car park. A little bit cheaper than the municipal car park, so a little bit cheaper. Save the price of a coffee. But we're going to push on now, get back, change and get a jar I think, and maybe some Thai food tonight. We've deserved it. It's been great. I'd just like to say thanks to the party, Antosh, Sky and John for joining me. It's made the day. And of course, thank the mountain, like the summit on Skiddaw, and thank you for staying with us all this time. If you have, thank you. And as always, if you want to and feel like you'd like to subscribe or like, that is appreciated too. So again, see you in the next one. Take care, yeah? Bye for now.